Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 3 of how to make Minecraft using Python. In this part we are going to see how to make our terrain big and how to make it smoother. So let's start. So to make our terrain big, we just need to set the chunk size to 40, or uh, we could make it to 30 or 35, but it's I have set it to 40, and if we create that just now it will be very laggy, so we are going to make collider. So in every voxel we are setting collider to box, but we don't want to do that. So right here we can do box just for now, and we will set the collider to none. Now you might be wondering why I have set the collider to none, because if we don't have any colliders, then our player will fall straight through it. So we'll do gravity 0, so our player basically floats in air, and we can set the y value to the blocks y values. So let me just copy this +1. So what will this do is, basically wherever the player is standing on the x and z axis, the y value will be its block there the x and y axis says noise function and +1, so it will basically stand on top of a block. So let's just start and let's see. And I have set the collider to none because the colliders needs a raycast, which uses some complicated maths, and that maths takes our frame, so we don't want that. And now it's working almost fine. So the thing is that we only have our blocks showing up, but we can't place them. So to do that, we are going to see how to do that in the next part. For now we are going to do that. Let's do, okay, so we have set the clouds right here to be the scale of 50, and right here also. So I have done this off camera, and you can customize the y values according to your choice as you like it. And octaves, I have set it to the cloud octave to 41.125, and the seed is random. And right here, let's see, okay, that's that. And the current block's position, I have customized it off camera again. So here you can see the z is 2, and its y is -0.5, and x is 3. And we can do one more thing, that we can just copy this okay, right here, and then we can paste it over here. and just add more zeros. We can like add fog, so let me just add that. Now we have a bigger terrain, so it will look nice. So the fog will be, no wait, the fog density 0.03 or something like that. And then next we could add trees. So it might take some time to load. Okay, so the clouds are also looking they're looking a bit dark. Okay, it's pretty good. And what we can do is set the fog color to like blue if it's the morning, and I guess black if it's night. So we are going to do the day and night cycle, I guess, in the next part. So yeah, fog color would be color dot RGB, and that's 0, 0 and 255. Okay, so we can just do red to 50 or 40, and let's see how does that look. Okay, it looks very bluish. Okay, so we just want it to be like a bit low, and then we can do it to 30. So let's look like how it look now. So okay, it looks almost all right. So yeah, and now we want to add trees. So trees can be a little tricky because, so let me just show you like if we build a tree right right here, so it will need some leaves, and it will be a bit slow, so we could add that right now. Okay, let's do, just try to add leaves, and in the next part we will add the leaves, and in this part we are going to add the logs. Okay, so if this y, we are going to set it to the y value right here. If y is bigger or equal to 10, and okay, so that, and then we are going to say choose choose tree is random dot rand range 0 to 10,000. So if choose tree is bigger than 9,000, then we are going to add a log. So to do that, okay, so we are going to set tree height will be random dot choices, and then we are going to say, okay, it could be 5 or 7, and then 0. So this will give us the tree height, and then we're going to place the logs. Let me just copy this. Wait, no. Here we have copied that, and then so we need a for loop for height in tree height range tree height, and then so these will be basically the logs, and then in the next part we're going to add the leaves. Let me just look in the assets folder. Let's see. Okay, and somewhere right here, so dot gold block, stone block, wood, it will be wood block. Okay, so wood block, okay, wood block, and no, we want the collider to be box in this case. This will be y plus tree height, y plus height. So okay, and let's see. 948. Okay, now let's see, and okay, so why, okay, now will it work or we have to change something? Okay, this is a rather small, like not very hilly terrain, so let's just do that and do that. Then I think in this one it will work. So okay, so anytime now. Yes. Okay, we do have a lot of tree logs. We really don't have this many trees, and what can we do is we can do this 5 and then 9,000. Okay, that should work. And okay, so just one It could be just one tree or it could be many trees. Okay, it's taking time. And yes, we do have some trees. Means only the tree trunk. Okay, the heights are a bit random. And yes, pretty good. So thank you for watching. Everyone have a nice day. Thank you.